Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to get deleted contacts back on your Android phone. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right, and you just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version, and make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So guys, you can restore contacts from the backup. If you have previously backed up your contacts, you can restore them on your Android phone. To do this, open your phone setting app, tap on the Google, and tap setup and restore. If you have multiple Google accounts, choose the account you want to restore from and select the phone with the contacts you want to copy. And if you don't want to copy contacts from your SIM card or phone storage, turn off SIM card or device storage. So here you can simply tap on restore and your deleted contacts will be recovered. Hope you guys like my video. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.